been to Finland and then Estonia, okay, especially in Estonia. And then there were quite a number of participants. And then some of them are with their children. And then I was really encouraging them just make your children to be able to read Tibetan language, okay, Tibetan. If you are able to read Tibetan, and whatever prayer we are doing, okay, they can also read the text, okay, and then understanding will come slowly, slowly. So just to be able to read, okay, like Madhukame Sumji Yore, we have 13 in alphabet, and then we have vowels, and of course our language is not that easy, but still I think it is phonetic, and we don't have to believe this has to be read like this, either you like or not. We don't have to do like this, okay? So therefore, language itself is very scientific, and then I think it is not so difficult, okay? And once you are able to read, and then you can read all the scriptures, and prayers. You can read all the prayers, okay? I asked them, okay, the Estonian group, I asked them to learn Tibetan, okay? Either they can come to Nepal in my monastery, or if they need some teacher, I can send, but they have to learn Tibetan language to be able to read all these prayers. They are praying in English. And then also slowly, slowly they will be able to read all Kanjur and Tenjur also, okay? And then when once you are able to read this in English and then Tibetan, and then understanding can go on deeper while you are reading and reading and reading, and then you can also listen teachings like this. So I think that is the best. What I suggested in Finland also, and in Estonia also. I think, if I'm not mistaken, in Belgium also, I had two retreat, and then I also suggested them. They are all European, okay? I asked them to. It's very important to read Tibetan language, okay? And then all the prayers, all the texts in Kanjur, Tenjur, everything is there. So therefore, it is very important to read. Otherwise, if you see the translations, okay, the meaning is. The difference between the meaning is quite far from each other. And then when I speak a little bit of English and then I speak Tibetan, okay? When I explain the Tibetan text in English, okay, then I have to do a lot of effort, a lot of preparation, and I have to show my gestures with face and hand and everything, okay? But I don't have to do like this in Tibetan. I can easily, smoothly, I can explain, and then meaning is deeply, deeply rooted in Tibetan. Deeply rooted in Tibetan. Why? Today, I saw Shanti Deva's Bodhisattva's Way, five translations, okay? Five translations in English, from Tibetan to English, okay? We have only one translation, okay? Tibetans have only one translation. Shanti Deva's text is one, okay? Whether it's Amdo or in Lada or wherever, okay? Only one translation. Why? Because of the kings, they did very, very good job. Say that all the terms, accurate terms, are standardized, and everyone has to use that term. Now today, Shanti Deva's text has five translations, okay? Almost all are different, I can't say, but there's quite a big differences. Then when it comes to like real meaning or ultimate decision, it has to come back to Tibet. There's no other way, there's no other solution. So therefore, our language is very, very important because of our great leaders in the past. Okay, because of them, we feel very, very proud. And then the meaning. Okay, for example, we say "Nyumo Jeti Shidong." Okay, they took count eight, 84,000 destructive emotions just to count, okay? And this is the meaning, essence in the Kanjur and Tenjur, okay? To translate all these terms are very difficult, but it is all in Tibetan. So ultimately, those who are really interested in Buddhism, they really learn Tibetan, okay? Two of my classmates One is George Dreyfus from Switzerland. He is a very good. He's, I think, first Geshe from the West. Okay, George Dreyfus is now in Virginia University as a professor. And then there's another one called Alan Wallace. Okay, at that time we call him Chabakesa. So he is also speak fluent Tibetan. He can write also, read also, speak, debate everything we debate in Tibetan. Chabakesa. Now today they say they both say that the meaning, okay, deep meaning of Tibetan Buddhism or Buddhism is totally settled and deeply rooted in Tibetan. Whatever translation comes of it, never be equivalent. So therefore, to study Tibetan is very important, okay, to understand full knowledge about the Buddhism, and then like detail, so much detail. Conjures 100 volume, okay, like this thick, 100 volume. And then you have 200 volume, same like this. And how they translate it, how they wooden block printed. Each and every page is inscribed in the wooden. Whole text is like, if you take all the wooden blocks, okay, it will be like full, like this house. I saw only lumbering wooden blocks, okay. It's a huge, okay, huge. But their devotion, okay, our ancestors' devotion is so deep. That I think we need to see, read them, and then try to contemplate, see that our ancestors have done such a great work. So now we also have to do the same. If we really love our country, if we really love our culture, if we really love our Tibetan Buddhism, and then of course we have to put effort. And this is also our responsibility, okay? We cannot say anything. We cannot go against this, okay? This is, whether we like or not, it is our duty. Therefore, please, okay, try to improve your Tibetan language. This is really the very important thing. Yeah. And then if there's anything we can do jointly, okay, I'm really happy to give hand, okay? Whatever is possible from my side, okay? We have to do something, okay? Otherwise, talking will remain tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and then after a few days, it will be totally disappeared. We have to do constructive things, okay? Yeah. Oh, where?
Nghe mình đi ai mình chưa có số yêu cái là tạm được đó cái là cái phê lịch sử đã chơi thôi ya cule hai level cái sáng ngày sinh chú chế chúng son nhưng ta vẫn ấy thôi trên là suy đang anh đấy cái là cái số mình đang sinh ra tuần đó thu số đang anh thu cái số gì đang thu tỷ lệ chế suy rằng đang nhưng vì này chế suy rằng số yêu anh ngã đang được chúa xem cái là đang được làm được chế suy cái đó chúng son 그래서 나단다 공을기 수문능 신리 팀자 디토리아 다샤미자 중리 디자 마리 표현하리아 단당이 딩에네 아니요 디요릴 보고 따자둘랍들 따니 보고서 지기요르발 아 비냐네다 게릴리아 그 얘기 아니 탑시 당기요리 디자 마리 단데 칠레야 땅아를 게레 차샤비니 부불리아 쿠류 치네 그래서 창마다 딜레브네 som지 부분님도 저허요 말일 아니 임비네다 벽에 장막이 부여 다 아래기 딱 구슈기실라리아 다 람드나로나 쉐디 조 칠로리니 다 베베부 솔강의 지요리 페나로 유니레 강의 지요리 땅 최난의 신탑다 시럽 슈그바킬라 엔디 기실라 단데부도 다 롭소랑 토네 찰레 단데부도 나 요리 엔기실라게 디톨이야 단데 트라이게 유에잔 람든 칼롭 카라치나이나스 Shuye, Tito, Narana, Tachina.